Okay, lot number 2109B. Here we got a Sea-Doo 800 engine. It's out of a 96 Sea-Doo XP 800. We're going to do the engine compression test. And we'll start with the mag side first. Alright, we got a 150 PSI on the mag side. We're going to leave everything on the engine except for the starter. You can see in there the pistons do show some wear, considering it's got 150 pounds of compression. This engine will be sold as is. If you want to redo the top end, that's up to you, but compression is good. Okay, PTO side. And the PTO side has 150 PSI compression. Thanks for stopping by.